tonight, we pause at a bridge. Not a modern overpass, but a Roman arch, quiet over slow water. Rome depended on movement. Roads mattered, and bridges made roads continuous. Without reliable crossings, armies stalled, trade slowed, and messages arrived too late. Roman bridge builders favored the arch. An arch redirects weight outward, into stone piers and solid abutments. Stone is strong in compression, and Roman engineering leaned into that strength. They often built temporary wooden frameworks, set carefully shaped stones, then locked the curve with a keystone. Once that center stone held, the structure behaved like a single system. Water was always the enemy. So they shaped cutwaters on bridge piers to split current and reduce pressure. They chose stable sites, used deep foundations when needed, and repaired damage instead of abandoning crossings. A good bridge did more than carry carts. It made routes predictable. Predictable routes support administration, markets, and everyday trust. People can plan when they know a crossing will still be there tomorrow. Some Roman bridges survived for centuries, and a few are still in use in adapted form. That endurance was not magic. It came from geometry, material discipline, and maintenance over time. As you settle into sleep, imagine moonlight on old stone, water moving softly beneath an arch, and the quiet confidence of a structure built to outlast urgency.